Welcome to our comparison of Notion and Things 3, two popular productivity tools. Let's start with features. Notion is a robust tool that combines features of a note-taking app, task manager, wiki, and database. It allows real-time collaboration, page nesting, and custom templates. On the other hand, Things 3 is a dedicated task manager with a clean interface. It focuses on task management features like creating projects, adding to-dos, and setting reminders. Unlike Notion, it doesn't support real-time collaboration. Both offer unique features, but serve different purposes. Now, let's talk about pricing. Notion offers a free plan with limited features, and paid plans start at $4 per month. They also offer a discounted price for annual subscriptions. Things 3, however, is a one-time purchase application. It costs $49.99 for Mac, $19.99 for iPad, and $9.99 for iPhone. There's no subscription model, but there are separate costs for different platforms. So, while Notion has a recurring cost, Things 3 requires a higher initial investment. User experience is another important aspect. Notion's interface is flexible and customizable, but it can be overwhelming for new users due to its many features. Things 3, on the other hand, has a minimalist design that's easy to navigate. It's designed for simplicity and focuses on helping you manage tasks without distractions. While Notion offers more customization, Things 3 offers simplicity and ease of use. Next, let's discuss integrations. Notion supports integration with a variety of apps like Google Drive, Figma, and over 500 apps via Zapier. This makes it a versatile tool for different workflows. Things 3, however, does not offer any third-party integrations. It mainly focuses on seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. If integrations with other apps are crucial for your workflow, Notion has an edge here. Performance-wise, both apps are highly responsive and quick to load. Notion works well across multiple platforms, including web, desktop, and mobile. Things 3, while only available on Apple devices, is optimized for the Apple ecosystem and offers a seamless experience across all devices. Both perform excellently within their respective ecosystems. In terms of security, both Notion and Things 3 take user data security seriously. Notion encrypts data at rest and in transit and is GDPR compliant. Things 3 also encrypts your data and doesn't share it with others. However, it lacks a formal certification like GDPR compliance. Both apps are secure, but Notion has a slight edge due to its compliance with international standards. Let's look at support services. Notion provides comprehensive support through a help center, community, and email. Things 3 offers support through a detailed FAQ section and email. Both provide decent support, but Notion's community feature provides a platform for users to share tips and solutions. Scalability is another important factor. Notion's flexible structure allows it to scale with your needs. You can start simple and expand as your requirements grow. Things 3, being a task manager, doesn't offer the same level of scalability. It's excellent for personal use and small teams, but may not scale as well for larger teams or complex projects. Given all these factors, we declare Notion as the winner. This is due to its versatile features, affordable pricing, extensive integrations, and scalability. While Things 3 excels in task management and user experience, Notion's comprehensive capabilities make it a more powerful tool for various use cases. Thank you for watching our comparison of Notion and Things 3. We hope this video was helpful in understanding the strengths of each tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such comparisons and tech content. Stay tuned.